Hi. Soon it's going to be Valentine. So tonight, the project for tonight, it's the second video for tonight. It's how you can make your own Valentine candle holder or wreath, whichever you want it to be. You can use it. So let me show you a sampler. Okay. Like just like the first video, this takes time, so I'm going to show you basically how to make it. So what you would need a plate, okay, and if you have anything with a heart shape, that would be just perfect. For example, this is like from a candy thing, so that would be just perfect, but I'm not going to use this one because this is too small. But if that's what you want, that's doable. Okay, so what you would need also, you would need a glue gun. Okay, and you would think the candy will melt with the glue gun because this is a hot glue gun, but it's not. So I'm not going to really do it because I already did one, but I'm going to show you how you can do it. So you would have your glue gun, you would plug it, right? So the candies should be open, alright. So that's your candy, and so right here, right around the center, you're going to have like a row of candies right here. Okay, so you would put either your glue, you would dab a little teeny tiny piece of glue right here, and you would just glue your candy. You would just put a little glue right here, and you would put your candy so far and so on. Okay, so until the whole circle is filled with candy. So now let me show you when it's filled with candies, it looks just like that. Okay. Okay, so when it's filled with candies, so remember, little glue, right? It's easier to put the glue on the plate than if you put the glue on the candy, because for some reason, even though the candy is not going to melt, but the moment you put it right here, it's starting to show you all the sweet thing running down. So if you are trying to make a project like that, make sure you put the glue first on the plate. Okay, glue first on the plate, and after that put your candy right here. So down here, one circle, and after that you go on top. So this one, believe me, I made this one since Christmas and I still have it. So, and it can also be used for Valentine. Okay, so that's red and green. Red and green was for Christmas. So what you would do down here, you would put your green. So whichever, it doesn't matter which color you like. Some people like multicolors like myself, and some people they like uni. So if you're the type of person you don't like to vary colors too much, that would be just fine too. Just pick whichever you like. Nothing tells you that you have to do it just like that. So, and okay, now this is a good shot. So right here, okay, that's the green candy, right? So what you would do, you would dab the glue first on the plate, and you will put your candy. So you fill the whole circle, right? So when you finish to fill the whole circle, you will go on top. You would now, on top of the candy, you will put your little glue, and you will put the other one on top until you fill it. So since I made this one for Christmas, and I had that bow, so I put that bow right here. So what you do, you tie the bow as you wish, and you also put some glue right here, and you put your thing, and once you put it, you make sure that you hold it, because otherwise you are not going to have a bow. See, and you squeeze it for at least a good 2-3 minutes. I love glitter, anything that shines. So what I did, and after that, since remember that was for Christmas, so after that I add some glitter. So now Valentine is coming. that would be just perfect for Valentine. So once you do that, if you want, you make sure you can just leave a little space. So what you have to do, you have to make sure you put your candies a little bit lower. So you can use a hole punch. You punch a hole like that right here, I mean, and so you can just tie it. So like myself, I use this one for Christmas as a candle holder. So right here, you know, I just put my candle, put something right here and let my candle sit on it. Okay, so it will take so long. So remember again, an empty plate, you have your candies, you know, I have the red and green, and you have your glue gun. So what you would do, you would dab a little glue like that, right? So once you dab your little glue, and what you would do, you would make sure that you hold the candy like that. Hold the candy for a few seconds, right? And after that, until you fill the whole circle. So you choose whichever color you like. So for myself, the color that I put around the circle was green, and after that around here I did both. So I gave it 2 layers. Right here 1 layer, and around the rim, so I gave 2 layers. So green, and after that I put red on top. And once I was done, and I add, you know, put some flavor on it. I love flavor, so I put some glitter all over, and I put a bow. So that would be just perfect for Valentine, right? So take a good shot at it. So that's what it looks like. So, and I think it's a good idea, we can also use this one for Valentine, because it looks so much like Valentine. Okay, so hopefully you like that one. And again, if you like to check all of my videos, you can just on your YouTube search Center 1223. So if you do that, you'll be able to check all of my videos. So keep me posted, let me know if you have any comment, and I entertain only good comments. You know, it doesn't have to be, you don't have to tell me that you like my videos, but you know, anything, you know, like stupid, this is not something that I entertain. So please keep me posted, let me know. You can send me an email, and if you have questions, something that you would like to know, if it's something that I know, I'll be more than happy, you know, to help you. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching my videos, and you have a good night. Okay, bye bye.